the Europa League round 16 between team friend of United and Barcelona Basel. Now it's just some 6 days ago, and two clubs here meet here the company. And I think say on that we is a game no, obi otna game no be no said say a game of chess. We got two coaches no, actually more tactical prowess in that game. Papa your friend Eric Ten Hag and Papa your friend no, I can say Xavi Hernandez. Omo ina actually say in terms of tactics there were two tacticians. Game ne course no, UEFA way change way, now we are changing way, and that is going to continue. I think say per game ne crime for teams thing prepare towards this game no. I think they're going to have that same type of tactical battle between Papa your friend Eric Ten Hag and Papa your friend Xavi Hernandez. Now in the room, I'll pick the last week game no. Let us compare this week game, then we know how the game was going to go by. Because and then the battles are many. David De Gea meets Ter Stegen. Lisandro Martinez meets Ronald Araujo. Casemiro De Jong and fifth one of the Ebeyatawe. Then we have Rashford versus Lewandowski. Two players they are on the same number of goals for the season, 24-24. And the game gets a tactical battle between our player friend Eric Ten Hag and Xavi Hernandez. Papa, last week game now no. They are free game money. So for lineup play who from last week now. Even though say two teams thing bring here starting lineup on the first glance, you will say okay, and then two teams call Barcelona with a 4-3-3. Team my friend going with a 4-2-3-1. But you again no, you will say many changes. For example, you will say team my friend against Barcelona echo for a midfield 4. And the Omoko with a branch for Gavi, Frankie De Jong, and Pedri in the midfield, making a midfield 4. And after instead of somebody of Ronald Araujo elbow center back, no, he was moved to a right back. Jules Koundé echo center back. That was the change apart from Xavi. You a pack and so you won't say no way. Who on the side of the team no so. Man you also echo changes kakra. Instead of Wood Verhulst played number 9, no, opposite Rashford at number 9, and a man Wood Verhulst Eba number 10, opposite Bruno echo number 7, and all your branch friend Jerry Sancho at number 11. It was a change of game, no. It was a tactical battle, a chess game, and a two teams in our boy. That was what we saw from that game. But the question I want to say, your poor game in a way, you know. It was 61% possession for team my friend of Barcelona, 39 for Manchester United. But for SG, make expected goals. Game my boy, no. Tell your friend of Barcelona a control game, you know. But the chance say, man, you for any 2.9 SGs. Man, you for goal scoring now was so. I tell my friend, I can say Barcelona. Munya 1.25. Jabo get anywhere no. Munya 18 shots. But my friend Barcelona enya 3 on target, man enya 2. All those on target goals no. Well, inside the case the 18 and I said the go post no. As you could clearly know say it was a game of two teams no. I prefer for it very very well. But the question is yeah game no. You will say Man U team not try as much as possible say they will go for a counter attacking game. And to where the passing map now. Team my friend Barcelona for passing map into the Barcelona against the Man U 11 and the Man U for half the Man U for the end all their passing maps entered into their own half. And the two teams no were about attacking football, were prefer on a counter attack. And that was what we saw from that game now I heard last week, you know. But let's go into the tactics of two teams. Papa for the Xavi team near the in the game now I heard no, was a build up no in a 3 at the back, 4 in midfield, and occur with 3 players at the back, and they found a 3 box 4. And 1, 2, 3. Almost there, 4 in midfield, they found the midfield 4, no. Then Araujo playing on the wings. Or no airport right back into right wings on more. And every time Piano occur with 2 players, 3 players at the back. Man, you force a defender in the first minutes of the game. Away 2 minutes 22 seconds. In the first minutes, no, Man, you for defending in a 4-1-4-1. And to you more 4 players at the back. Almost 1 player, Casemiro in midfield, 4 players defending in attack, and a better for Rashford. Pressure more anyone more. Until they press in a 4-1-4-1. And the chance say Barcelona 4 years hard now. It's say Man U for overcrowded midfield nintino. Every time you almost pass no, it comes to the wings. It is either better for Jordi Alba and I say Ronald Araujo and I pick your pass no from the wings because and before them there Man U for in a 4-1-4-1. 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4 1 4-1-4-1. It's a difficult to me born after infinity. It's baby aka wings on more. But it was a plan from Mapa and for Eric Ten Hag. Because somebody ball call wings on the more, then what does pressure on the wings? Put the ball into wings on the more, then you see somebody you find that say bar ring on more. Because about press no more body for the more. And you have 2 options. Instead of somebody true, and somebody counter attack to right for Marcus Rashford. And it was a perfect build up for the first minute of the game. But in the second half, no, I'm going to change Mukakra. Instead of say, and come up pressing a 4-1-4-1, they said, yeah, we're pushing more men up front. This is the 53rd minute. Almost I had the players they call him. Now he's pressing in the 3 players in front. And today, occurred 1, 2, 3 at the back, one player, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So come with a 4-1-2-3 press up for Team and United in the second half. You see again, I say, and from that time, they call Man U force us to omunya chances. Again, I'm near their mom because players of mom no say our pressing in this way. It's quite difficult for Team and Barcelona to, like I said, to play the ball from the back. Because they say Ronald Arojo and I say I better find Jules Kunda. Now, unya bona, I did saw you and so play ball in the game. You can't play from the back because every player be a man-to-man marking. Everyone is being picked from the game now. And that's how Man United team no. As I more press in the second half. A boom for the game no. Ever put me more common. But of course my home they say. So for Man U team no so. That's how I'm also sure Modi and I say. But of course I want to say game now a ball game you know. After the game, the ever say Sir Eric Ten Hag at the 8th analyst and a core company. And the catch a game not a tactical battle. A game of chess. Way to way free, I know the way I see infinity. Way to way for the way I see ma. These were 8 video analysts. How many from Kwan? And I want to want to know any changer. No matter ring bench or I catch from Samasa. Monya adi when a so they pick this player out, they put this one in. And so much the system and the players, no system on board park and so. And it and I don't want say game now when someone you 14 no started something very brilliant. I don't want to say over game now. Team I found Barcelona for a pressing with a narrow 4-4-2. And the 4 players at the back, 4 in midfield, pressing to the Mienu journey. Now I have a fan I can't say Rafinha and Robert Lewandowski. But when you first saw me board up now say in a way it was very difficult for them to press them because they sorry more everyone Bissaka, Rafa Varane and the other players and it was quite difficult for them to so make my eyes at Namomo because let's say on your 4 players at the back now, Casemiro becomes the only player in midfield. And today or chances. So they didn't get a ball now, or chance to pass the ball on the left, chance to pass the ball on the right in midfield, and even pick a long pass to Arante Fan Casemiro. And every time, Biano, it's on the build-up system of Team for Manu, you know, Barcelona for 8 man press some anti-ball stand for Muslim, and it took all the whole 90 minutes until say, or it's on game Kakra. And in the first half, no, and say in the first minute, no, apart from the service, so a press in the 4-4-2, but who say and farmer, no, also change the system, no, a press in a typical 4-2-3-1. And Toronto or pressing with 2 players in front or pressing with 3 players in midfield, then no one can do actually. Until now, Man U 14 into him pijab, omuti pass ball in French game. And almost no, the only option I can say about pijab ball right from David De Gea to the midfield. Until Man U 14 no, I want to remember. It was a very tactical game in that first half. Now, you know. But the question I want to say, but there's me no more boa. Team from Barcelona pano. Now I got Vini Pedri. Because in that midfield game, no, you need players some bit running. Players some soccer ball now, are quite comfortable. Players some soccer ball, they could link up with the attackers. But the question I want to say, these 2 players are all out of the game. Pedro Epra got a yellow card, and these 2 players won't be available for FC Barcelona and net. Their replacement, Abe Abrante and Sergio Roberto, and maybe to some extent Abrante or Sergio Busquets because or a fit with Mabo Gani be in there. But you ask yourself, say that runs now. I want to find a guy any Pedro, would they be able to do it? Sergio Roberto and Abrante Feno, I can say Sergio Busquets, would they be able to press? Would they be able to get the ball away from the team? No, as Senegal Vini Pedro now. It's a big question for our point for Xavi and you make a good news. Sergio Busquets is back and he'll be able to play the game and there. All prevent lineups now. These are the probables. David De Gea, Aaron Bissaka, Rafa Varane, Lisandro Martinez, Luke Shaw at the back. Casemiro and Sabitzer in midfield, Bruno, Vegas, Sancho and Jadon, Abrante for Rashford, LED attacking for United. On the side of FC Barcelona and so on, Ter Stegen in goal post, Jordi Alba, Andre Christensen, Ronald Araujo, Jules Koundé, Frankie de Jong, Busquets, Frank Kessie, Sergio Roberto, Lewandowski and Rafinha. Now no, our last guy, my boy, you know. Me we start to find Sergio Roberto basically he wasn't bad. He played well and he was able to score in that game. And it is a minute Xavier. I'll still go for a midfield 4. Sergio Roberto, De Jong, Busquets, and then Frank Kessie. The thing say, I better find Busquets amount game control. I don't promote my control game to the extent they say because he's a personal or a press resistant. So constance I would ball a free some anything as compare him to Abante Feno, Sergio Busquets and as a Frankie Kessie, so one number 6 or more. Busquets go in the midfield and but the question is only energy and our face of free injury never and it will be quite difficult for him to exert that energy now. Open for midfielders like Gavi and about to find Pedri. I think that a whole and money for will be able to capitalize on that idea because and then I saw a player back. I'm gonna make about to find Frankie De Jong and about to find Sergio Busquets because if you put one player Sergio Busquets, let's say taken out of the game and then I'll midfielding in our crumble. And then say Sabitza, Masabitza and you about to find Sergio Busquets. Watchma. Then Casemiro stands on about to find Frankie De Jong. Say but yeah, they will take them out of the game. Then would Velhos Bruno and Yaquine at me over around the defense because I had then with Roda Rojo with a better for Andy Christensen, Rashford form no woman. It will be very difficult to pick him. Say, oh man, I come and I'm be cry. And I think that it's going to be a difficult game for FC Barcelona. The biggest liability for a team I find on Man United team, I say, every time there's all pressure, they make mistakes.
Fred,
yes. So furthermore, Nadia, more chance kakra. Yeah. But still, Nana Sabitza and Casemiro are a very good player. So also, or yes, semi press resistance Nibia. Sometimes so press now with magic bonus for himself. And the best thing is that they will try as much as possible. Say almost make me put more men in the midfield area. Maybe say almost with the four midfielders in they will put more men in the midfield area to be able to press them and take the ball for a team for United team. I think say and the key battle will be how. We are going to look at the teams now, how they are going to construct the team.
Obi Biza said Dembele bebo na
Dembele can cry. Dembele cry. Papa, but the question say, Enra, I was looking at something. Between 2019 to 2023, I think I said it's 4 years.
Yeah.
But the last time Barcelona about Old Trafford no, line up and it's 2023. Meanwhile, it's
because for now,
David De Gea, Lindelof, Smalling, Shaw, Ashley Young, Fred, McTominay, Pogba, Dalot, Rashford, Lukaku.
And then you get about 4 and then
yes.
started.
Rashford was
Rashford best started.
Yes, Dalot, that's what.
Dalot best started.
Yes, Luke Shaw, De Gea. Yes. But there's a totally different lineup from Team on the buy, and that's what I know again. But of course, I'm say we're talking about 2 attackers, and they Obia were 4. But Bako, I friend Rashford is quite now on form than a better friend Lewandowski. The season national Lewandowski was scoring goals. Now Rashford is slow kakra. But Rashford is the one on form. Lewandowski has struggled to get form. But they are all on the same number of goals. 24 for both teams. In terms of assists, 9 for Brentford and Rafinha, 9 for Brentford and Eriksen. But Eriksen game. It's only a Brentford and Rafinha was arguing. And I think the 2 key players for this game, are these 2 attackers. And I think to score to score for Rashford to score. For Lewandowski to score, and I think that's how the game back when there. But of course, I'm say, and then there are all happy moments. In the last 1 week, we've seen Sir Alex Ferguson and our Papa friend Everton have going for dinner. We've seen Rio Ferdinand, Sawaba, or Carrington Training Center. We've seen Robert Lewandowski say, for Robin Van Persie. So, and what I'm for a training now, he was also there. And Obiaba in a very crucial week. Ochona, they had a chance of eliminating FC Barcelona and then you on Sunday, they are playing the Carabao Cup final. A very crucial week. And we've seen that these things are going on. I think it's a happy moment for Team my friend Barcelona, Team my friend Manchester United. And for this game, I'll go for a go both to score. Man, you 4 options. Papa, Ombo 0-0, Oma qualify. Ombo 1-1, Oma qualify. Sebastian 4 when they are more free. And the 4 options. It's either they draw the game below 2 goals. And now some mention that Barcelona for team no cry. And I think that gives Man United a lot of options to qualify. And I'll pick a can say someone you team qualify ahead of team for Barcelona. For the scoreline, give me a draw next one moment. Maybe a 1-1. Or when I'll go for United team for a 2-1 win. But game a 1-1 a draw and it's a more game. I think for a player to score, I'll go for Rashford to score in the game now. I think Man United win the game in the new way. Hapa.
Evangelist, Memeda Sepeti, Johnny Live on Facebook, Sumpa FM, ni nkoma aka no enti fada gandi ebesom na ode the camp news no abrayen ni abesane ya nkoma aka no nyina bibia esiko na messages no pa na ba fada ne bra na yenkeka no bi nso ente wonka enso ho RG AS Macastle or say Barcelona 2 Manchester United 1 Abdul Rashid, keep the good job. I'm watching you live from Saudi Arabia now. Ibrahim Al Hassan, I say please, good morning. Please, will Dembele play today? say that be Omobi and Netwepra. Abba Zachary, good morning to you all. For the best sports station, keep it up. Bra more, I see there is no longer a way go. Okay, Kwesi, I think that one no for that Kwesi way now Omehe because there is no longer a way go. That is the prevailing issue as a woman and so that a way go issue. A way go enya juma anti United ebo eye 1-1 2-2 draw. Just obo 2-2 obo 2-2 ebeko extra time but obo eye 1-1 there 3-3 extra time. Obo 0-0 extra time. It's the only chance that United want to qualify no and it's about winning because away go rule no nya juma bie. Say if you last year nyina na nya juma enti say open say o win the game now United and go for straight win. Either than that extra time and so win na mamu anzani abo penalties and so Sami Young or Manchester United will win and one so wadi eremu. Yankwa na for that country emfa no mayen na fe yemesom emfa eyen somehow do no